Yeah, I'm pretty distraught and stuff, so just go to my theory of everything. Well, it's our theory of everything. We all need to know this, but, see, we're able to show God as a negative number and man as a positive number. And the thing is, God created man in his image, and so we have a real value here. And this represents an opposite value. And then the thing is, Jesus made both man and God, which is why, that's the thing is, you got two line segments here, and the thing is, a circle is a complete line and whatnot, so you combine them, and, the thing is that turn this into a 3D shape. You got a sphere, and that's the thing. You got dot, you got infinite amount of dots in there, fractals, and within a finite space there is infinity, and so that's kind of explains the universe. But just going into Jesus, and the thing is, Jesus died on the cross, right? Well, there's the cross. Well, and see, we got -1 here, we got -1 here, we got +1 here, and wait, where the fuck am I? So there, and then +1, positive up there too. Anyways, so well, 0 rests right there. Well, Jesus died on the cross, right? Well, Jesus was on the cross according to this equation, and the thing is, he was also nailed to the cross when he was crucified. Well, how can I just put a line right there? Well, that's the z-axis. You got x, y-axis, and so that's the thing. We got that's. It can't get any simpler than that, right? That's really what it comes down to. Mathematically proved God and Jesus. And then this is science, religion, nature, everything within the equation. Perhaps no longer than 1 inch. And that's just a brief example. I just need to freaking geek out for a second. I'm really going through a hard time right now. And so, yeah, hopefully this helps people out and lets you know that we are just made of dots, and at the same time, God is the Tetragrammaton. And here, hold on a second. Well, why don't I just draw it? Start, David. Well, a tetrahedron is a 3D equilateral triangle with so it's 4 sides, and the thing is that as above so below, and that's the duality of things. And at the same time, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the hex. One of the hexes we've got on us, just like our carbon life and whatnot. But as I said, God is a tetragrammaton. It's pretty much and with the thing is that Jesus is also the Son of God. Son, and it goes to astrology. Jesus has the same life cycle as the sun, our sun in the solar system. So really, people need to really take a step back and start realizing that everything is encoded. And in the beginning, God created heaven and earth. Well, that's the Big Bang. In the beginning, that's time. Create heaven, that's space, earth, matter, in the exact order. And that's the first line, of Genesis, the genealogy of Mother Isis. It's all encoded. Be safe, be kind, stay strong. I love y'all.